Hello! At your request, I'm going to be talking about closet organizing tips today. And so you get to see my closet. So this is my closet. I designed it using the Elfa system from the Container Store. It is super adjustable and flexible. All the shelves can be moved to whatever height I like. And you can see this is how I set up my closet. And over here is how my husband Eric set up his closet. So kind of similar. We both like to put the short hang toward the bottom of the closet. And then he has shelving above that for his nice, neat piles. Otherwise, for clothing like undershirts that needs a little more structure, he uses clear bins that he purchased at the Container Store. Whether you have the Elfa system or any type of ventilated wire shelving system like I used to have at my apartment complex, I'd recommend getting these translucent liners. They protect your clothes from leaving marks on them and are really easy to clean. I would be curious to hear how you guys organize your clothing in your closet. I like to do it by color and also type. So I keep long sleeves together, vests together, short sleeves together. And when I do my piles, I have jeans and dress pants and casual and sweatshirts. So I keep them segmented like that, but also with color in mind. How do you do it? My clients often ask me which hangers I recommend, and I am a fan of these fuzzy or velvet hangers. They're really good at space saving. They maximize space and they protect your clothes. So when you hang, a sweater on it, it doesn't stretch it out. It keeps its shape nice, so it protects the fabrics. Otherwise, if you have more structured cotton clothing, you can get away with using plastic hangers like my husband likes. I also quickly wanted to show you the left half of my office closet. This is where I keep seasonal and special occasion attire, including my wedding dress and shoes. So if you want any help organizing your existing closet structure or would like to entertain the thought of getting a new closet system, definitely reach out. Go to my website, piecesintoplace.com, and you can book a free virtual design appointment on there. Otherwise, you can just text or message me pictures of your closet, maybe some dimensions, and I'd be happy to help. I'd also like to shout out to my sister and owner of Lake Effect Co. She has supplemented a lot of the clothes in my closet, including this Cabin Fever sweatshirt, which you see me wearing a lot this season. So she's doing awesome things. She's a great local business, but ships internationally. So check out Lake Effect.